Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a location to your Facebook business page. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if you are already using the new Facebook page experience, here's how to add a location to it. First, you have to make sure you have switched into the Facebook page by clicking in the top right corner and selecting your Facebook page. So, this page name has to match the page name you see here. If you see a different page name, then click on See All Profiles and select the Facebook page you want to switch into. Once you switch into the Facebook page, all you have to do is click on the About tab. Then under the Contact Info section, you're going to see at your address. Click on it and here's where you can add the business address or the location of your Facebook page. Then you can add the city, the town, then add the zip code, and you can also add a neighborhood if you want to do that. But anyway, click on Save and you can see the new address has been added to the Facebook page. That's basically how you can add a location to your Facebook business page. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.